Gulf Coast Weather Solutions is sponsored by. Thank you for making Gulf Coast Weather Solutions one of your go-to sources for weather around the clock. From heavy downpours and severe storms to winter weather and the tropics, we've got you covered with accurate, reliable forecasts you can trust.
Next week is starting to look a little bit more stormy.
But look what's moving into the state of Texas.
Gulf Coast Weather Solutions.
Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostwick. We're looking at our visible satellite and radar over the past 4 hours, sponsored by Tamco HailGuard. We can see that we had some showers and storms scattered around Southwest Louisiana and Southeast Texas, but for the most part, they've already died out or moved out of the area. And it's been bringing some beneficial rain to the region. Definitely needed it. It's been pretty dry for the second half of summer for the most part. Now, if we look at those rainfall totals estimated by radar, we can see that multiple areas did record, according to radar, at least over ½ inch. Now, the areas that have some yellow indicated are areas that received 2 inches or more of rain according to radar, so very possible could have seen even higher totals than that in those areas. Now, regional current temperatures, we're looking at 85 in Beaumont, 82 in Lufkin, 89 in Houston, 87 in Lafayette, 79 in Starkville, 74 in Birmingham, where they've had some rain out there as well. Meanwhile, to our northwest, it's very hot, where it's 97 in Dallas, 101 in Wichita Falls, 97 also in Abilene. So definitely the hot air is back over that area in that area today, but we certainly are going to see more hot weather return to our region coming up for this next week. Now, right now in our current region, the temperatures are in the upper 80s in general to lower 80s. And that's just about as warm as it gets. Maybe a couple of 90s like in Baytown and Anahuac at this time. But 24-hour temperature change is a little bit dynamic. We have some 10-degree changes of warmer temperatures over in Southwest Louisiana in some places, and then we have some slightly cooler temperatures out to the west and northwest. Development chances of the tropics are starting to change a bit. We do have 3 areas now of interest. However, the northern one is certainly going to be an out-to-sea situation. The bottom 2, further south, approaching the Caribbean Sea, are likely to not be significant threats at this time for our region. We'll continue to monitor them. And the northern one is likely going to certainly go out to sea, but the southern one we'll just have to watch a little bit. But the conditions for development down the road are not very good. There is an ongoing El Nino event, so it definitely makes it more hostile overall for the tropics. Now, we will certainly continue to watch every system and provide additional updates as needed. Now, our future cast coming up for tomorrow is going to feature diminishing showers through this evening, sponsored by Switch Electric. Could see a few showers possible overnight, maybe some redeveloping towards the coast. And then as we get into the morning hours, what you'll notice is that right around 8 a.m., we got some storms forming right along the coast, and they spread inland. And by 12:30, there's quite a bit of activity spreading from around Katy over east into Winnie, over towards Beaumont and Lake Charles. And then all that activity kind of persists for more or less the rest of the afternoon. As we get into the evening hours, all the activity begins to diminish, and we shouldn't see too much more after that. Now, our low temperatures tonight, sponsored by Souls Before, where you can get you one, are going to be in the lower 70s to mid 70s out there to the lower 80s near the coast. Highs tomorrow, not too bad, with a decent chance of showers and storms at 50%, and those highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s, and that's about it. Not expecting too much more than that. Now, it will be getting hotter going past Monday. Our highs will bounce back up to the mid 90s by Wednesday, and then mid to upper 90s possible by next weekend. Lake Charles and Kinder, same for you. It's going to be warming up gradually but surely coming up this week, which means that we can expect probably some more heat advisories coming up for the upcoming week with the humidity as well. Make sure that you have the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app installed on your phone. It's free Available right now for iOS and Google Play. Gives you the latest weather updates on your phone, including when rain is approaching, when there's lightning in the region, and more. Download it right now. Also, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/GulfCoastWX for twice daily weather videos we post there. And we usually post once on weekends, especially when the weather is quiet. And also check out our Facebook page where we post additional weather updates for you here at Gulf Coast Weather Solutions. All right, everyone, have a good evening and check out Johnny's forecast in the morning for your Monday update.